our journey. Namaste, beautiful people. As you know, that my mission is to introduce you with the ideas and the thought process and the people around who have impacted so many lives in different ways. They bring their ideas and thought process, which allows you to dig deep so you can explore your supernatural nature in you and you can rise above in any given situation, whether it is coronavirus, COVID 19, any situation in the world, because you are supernatural, you are magical. And today, once again, we have got our very, very special guest in Rise Above. He is a very special guest, Vijay Goyal, our renowned astrologer who just comes and gives his
Namaskar,
heart. So, welcome to you, Vijay.
Namaskar to everybody and happy Navratri to all friends here.
Happy Navratri to everybody. Happy Navratri to you also. And thank you so much for coming here once again. And now again, a bonanza. If you have got any question, anything with you and your charts are ready. So please come and just, you can consult with Vijay and just make sure that you just share this message to your friends, family, and whosoever you feel like. And just share at least five shares should be there. So it will be great help to those people who need Vijay's help. So let's start, Vijay. So today is Navratri. Let's you know and
Yeah.
today is Navratri, and we had, in October when the Navratri came, and we had the special episode for on Navratri special that time. So, you know, what is that Navratri and this Navratri, and again these 9 days stuff, and here also, it's summer. That time it was winter, and this time it is summer, and this is Navratri. So, what is like basic difference, and why do we celebrate Navratri basically?
Right. Actually, already we have done the very long session last time, and we basically did two sessions on Navratris and
Yes,
told about all the essence of Navratris and all
yes,
modern meanings of all demons and which are written in Markandeya Puran. Right.
correct,
We have
correct,
discussed last time all this thing.
correct, correct.
Why we celebrate Navratri, how it comes. Basically, as per Panchang, whenever there is a change of season, Navratri will start as per Panchang, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there
Correct.
are basically four Navratris. Four Navratris. Two are open Navratris, which are worshipped by all Hindus, and
Mm-hmm.
two are Gupt Navratris, secret Navratris, which are
Okay.
worshipped only by sadhak, only by sadhak. To
Okay. So two Navratris which are like celebrated by everybody.
by
It's for.
everybody. It is an open celebration. It is a
Okay.
celebrated by all over the India, right? With every Hindu celebrate this Navratri. And
Okay.
two are Gupt. Two are Gupt means
Two are
secret.
secret Navratris.
Yeah. So that are done. That Navratris are done only by the special seekers who are doing special sadhana, who are doing special worships. For them, that is the two Navratris. In total, there are four Navratris. See, every 3 months, the Navratri will come. For every 3 months. In April,
Okay.
the Navratri is there. After April, May, June. Then July, Gupt Navratri will start. Then July, August, September, then October, then Open Navratri will start. Again, in February, Gupt Navratri will start. So, every 3 months, the Navratri starts, and there are main four seasons in our India. There are main four seasons. So, whenever there is a change of season, whenever
Okay.
change of season, every 3 months, when sun changes every Rasi, sun changes the Rasi every month.
Yes, absolutely.
So whenever the sun comes in Char Rasis, Navratri starts. So it is every 3 months.
Okay, so what is the
Every
significance of
4th month. Yeah.
Charas
Yeah.
every 4th month? So,
Yeah.
so what is the significance of Charas Rashi and Achar Rashi?
Changeable period. It is a change of season. It is actually indicated.
Okay, transition.
Transition, yeah.
So a
So
transition, because transition is not easy. So is it because of that it is kept like, 9 days of?
is the purpose of Navratri 9 days or 10 days. Basically, the 10 days program. It is always a 10 days program. So
Okay.
which can be some people do it for 8 days, some 9 days, or some 10 days, right? So it is basically a 10 days program, and it is linked with the 10th month pregnancy also, 10-month pregnancy period also. That we have discussed last time. I told you how,
Yes, 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 yes.
if you
Yeah, nine. The significance of number 9. Even when we do the japa, it is like 108, which again comes to 9,
9,
and it
yeah.
is a powerful number.
So 9 is the basic 9 days is the minimum period where full body cleans up. It can clean the full body. If you do any cleansing process, detoxification process of your body, and if you do it completely regularly for 9 days, then it will be completely detoxified. So
Detoxifies.
detoxified, yeah.
So how people can detoxify their body completely clean?
Yeah.
Is there any procedure
So
for that or anything like that?
see, in Hindu scriptures, we will not only detoxify our body, we also detoxify our mind, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Right. So first thing is that if we regulate our food, if we regulate our negative food habits for completely 9 days, then we detoxify our body, right?
Okay.
Suppose a person is a completely non-vegetarian person. He is completely involved in a tamas food, tamas state of food, completely involved.
Correct.
So if he denies this non-vegetarian food for 9 days, then the body will detoxify and it will come up into the upper level of rajasic status automatically. Right?
Okay, the frequency automatically. So this is another method to raise your frequency level high through detoxifying your body
Body.
and detoxifying the mind, like
Suppose,
doing the
yeah, if
meditation.
suppose people are vegetarian, but they are if they are vegetarian, they are not. Then they should do fasting.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they in the rajasic state, when they will do fasting and they will clean up the body, then they will rise up to the sattvic state. Their body,
Okay.
right? In this way, this is a process to clean your body, to up level your state from tamasic to rasic, rasic to sattvic.
Sattvic. So,
So
like the people who means, is it like eating once a day, or it is like eating twice a day, but having fruits and that kind of thing? What you
normally,
suggest? What kind of
if
thing?
people are going for the sattvic fasting, then they should eat only once a day, and that too very light
Okay, not heavy food.
food. Yeah, very light food. They
Okay.
basically restrict all type of food. So for first 2-3 days, they will find very difficult, but after 3 days, they will feel very energetic. Even with no food, they will feel very energetic automatically.
Okay. Okay.
So because our
Okay.
will come to complete rest, and the energy of Mooladhara chakra will rise automatically to upper level. So
Okay.
feel
Okay.
energetic after. So fasting helps a lot. And if people do fasting for 9 days, their body is clean up, their body becomes very strong, and immunity strongly develops. See, this Navratri is so much important that if
Mhm.
people do fasting for 9 days,
Okay.
I'm damn sure that they will be not get infected by COVID in any way.
Okay. Okay.
They will get protected from COVID. See, now again in India in the second wave, COVID is spreading very fast. Yeah.
Yeah, because I think the immunity increases when you do the fasting and all that. So your immune system automatically becomes strong. So
Yeah.
if you do this, this is it's a kind of excuse for you to do the fasting because of the power and all that. I used to do this, okay, now Navratri is there, I'm going to do fasting because because I'll just lose weight and something like that, and this is like, and God will empower me. But the basic mindset used to be like, I will lose and people will say, wow, she's doing fasting.
We must take one question from
Yeah, we will take the one question. Rupanshi is there.
yeah.
Rupanshi Shah. Abhishek Gautam, 3rd February, Feb 1990, 3 p.m. 3 p.m. कुरुक्षेत्र फाइनेंस एंड करियर के बारे में पूछ रही है रूपांशी.
One.
You can ask the question.
Mansi.
Rupanshi, yes. Rupanshi is there. Kiran is there. Kiran Agrawal is there.
Right.
शादी कब तक होगी सर किरण अग्रवाल.
Adi for I think he's
किस किस किसके और है because I can't see much
मेरे
because
बेटे
it's
की
like,
शादी कब तक होगी? Yeah.
हाँ
He's asking for her son.
हाँ.
Right.
तो देखिए कब तक शादी होगी.
Okay. Let me take this question.
Okay.
Yeah, of Kiran Agarwal. Yeah. Mrs. Kiran.
Okay. Thank you, Rupanshi. She shared,
Share to all contacts.
our video. Yeah. Please keep sharing this video so we can, help more and more people. And during this time, it is very much important that, people have some kind of strength.
Yeah. If people simply take Ganga Jal, Tulsi, Giloe,
Okay.
and Amla
Acha.
for 9 days and do fast,
Acha.
they are definitely going to boost their immune system and nothing will happen.
So this is a Ramban thing.
This is a Rama remedy. People do it, but they should whenever one does fasting, they should not move out of home. This is also the restriction. Yeah,
Oh, okay. They should not move out of home.
this is also
So
the restriction.
our Ambadas is having fasting, so I tell him not to move around.
Yeah. Churu. Kiran, that is Churu, I think. For Kiran son.
I can't see. You will be able to see, I think.
Yeah, I'm able to see.
Yeah. Rajasthan. She has written Rajasthan. Churu, yes, Churu, Rajasthan.
I am just sharing his her son's chart, if possible. Let me see. Share.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Can you see the chart?
Yes, I can see the chart. It is Singh Lagna. It's amazing. Before that,
Okay.
we were seeing Singh Lagna.
Wait. I am sharing the another one. Wait.
Ah, yes.
Now, Meena Lagna.
Yes, yes.
This is Meena Lagna. The Kiran Sun.
Ah,
Kiran
yeah, okay, yes, yeah. Okay,
and
this
Makar.
is.
Yeah.
Acha,
27th,
okay, okay, okay.
27th May 1989, night 2 a.m.
Yeah, yeah.
True. Yeah. She is asking
Yeah.
them when his son will get married. The present
Okay.
Dasa is running Jupiter Ketu.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Ketu is there.
Yeah.
Ketu denies the marriage.
Normally, Ketu is there in the sixth house, so it is denying the. Presently, it is not a favorable period.
Correct.
So Ketu will over on 16th May 2021. Let's see the next period. Jupiter Venus.
So it's a good sign, no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Jupiter Venus. Venus is there in the third house. So
Hmm.
Jupiter Venus will start from 16th May 2021 to 15th January 2022.
Yes.
So
Correct.
16th May, the favorable period will start for marriage. And
Uh,
for Gemini Dasa,
Antardasha. Mercury is. It is not right now. Venus will start from September. Or no?
no, Venus will start from May. May.
Okay, my 2000. Okay, just now. Okay, it will start. So from May,
Actually,
it is
last
a
3
good.
months, what I see, the immediately from July to July, August, September, October. Yeah, these 4 months are very important to get marriage fixed.
Okay, okay, okay.
July, August, September, October. 4 months. July to October. So
So July.
from July to October this year is the important, and the next year from April 2022 to April 2023, it is the best period.
So next year it will be the complete year will be fantastic. But here, this is like only 4 months are
5 months.
crucial. If we can, yeah, if we can, if you can just see a girl and fix next year the marriage,
Yeah,
that will be done.
that will.
Okay, that's yeah,
The
that's a
boy
nice.
can go for the love marriage also. There is a chance.
Okay, there is a chance of love marriage. So you ask your son, he must be, in love relationship
Yeah,
with somebody, and you can just see maybe that is a great possibility for you to bring Bahu immediately in these next 4 months.
right.
Yeah. So next chart, is just seeing.
Remedy is to worship Durga Mata in this Navratra. That is the best.
Okay. So he should worship Durga Mata.
And do Kanya Puja.
Okay, Kanya Puja also, so he will get the favorable results. Okay, and what? And who is there? Uh, uh, Raji, in general, let us know what, in general, about what, Raji? About Corona. What,
Yeah,
Vijay, some other chart was also there.
how is the new transit of Jupiter in Aquarius for Capricorn people? This
Sorry?
asking, yeah.
What is the question? Because I can't see the question here.
Question is that what will the result of Jupiter transit
Okay, what will be the
for
result of
Capricorn
Jupiter?
people? Yeah, Jupiter
Okay, okay.
they are in Aquarius. So generally for Aquarius, for Capricorn, yeah, for Capricorn, this transit is good, favorable.
Hmm.
With the expansion in job, they can change the job, they can get promotion in the job,
Okay.
can purchase the property, second house. For Capricorn people, Jupiter is there in the second house.
Hmm. Hmm.
They can purchase
Correct,
the
correct.
property, they can shift from one property to another property.
Okay.
There could be a
Okay.
change of place.
Okay. So right now it's a good time for Capricorn to.
To make some expansion in their job.
Okay.
In,
Okay. So
yeah.
it's a nice period for them to be here. Okay. And what
Mars is
about this?
asking for something.
Yeah, somebody had shown the chart also. I can't see the chart. But other thing, they people are curious to know what about, because in Mumbai now Corona is spreading. It is more than what earlier it was. Like it's a four times. It's like so. What do you predict about specifically? How
General,
long it's going to?
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Or because from tomorrow onwards. In Mumbai, lockdown possibilities there almost it is declared, I think. So from tomorrow for 14 days, we would be under lockdown. It will be really, it's the same kind of lockdown which we had seen. Because in the morning when I had gone out, most of the shops were closed, even though there was no lockdown. But people were out, and some only little bit essentials were there, though it was not lockdown today. So I just, witnessed this thing.
Right. Basically, what I see that when Mars will leave the Rahu, when Mars will leave the Rahu, I think let me see when it is leaving.
Hmm.
When Mars will leave the Rahu, then this problem will decrease.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think in few days it will leave. Let me tell you when.
Okay.
Tomorrow it is leaving.
Tomorrow it is leaving.
No, today only. No,
Today.
wait. I made some mistake. Wait. Yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow it is leaving. So
Got
tomorrow,
it.
do you think we are going to?
So it means that this time this spread of corona will be not so much. What we say, there will be not so much deaths, right? There will be no more mortality. Although
Okay.
we get infected, see, corona is a virus, and virus are amar.
Hmm. Virus, you can't kill them.
You can't kill them, right? Viruses are bacteria and viruses are basically Rahu Ketu, and they
Yes.
Yeah, they have drink the nectar, so they will not die.
They are going to be there, but you need to
Um,
learn to deal with them.
yeah, so the only thing is that our body should become immune to them. Our body should be highly effective to tackle with these types of diseases, right? So
Okay.
it happened automatically in coming 2 3 months, automatically.
Okay.
One person will become immune.
Okay.
And
Everybody will become immune to these diseases.
yeah, yeah, and see, panic is there because people are getting infected, but that panic is a normal panic, not like the earlier one.
Despite of the fact, I am really surprised. Despite of the fact that it is more than what we had witnessed in Mumbai 4 times, but people are not so scared and they
Yeah,
are not worried about it, and they are just like, okay, we will handle the situation. Now they are used to fighting with the demons. It seems like.
yeah, yeah. So with time, the things will improve.
Okay, okay. So any other question which I actually couldn't see the question.
I also
Can
could not see any more questions.
yes, we had the questions, but I couldn't see the question. So let's come back to our Navratri. So is it like, do you want to recommend people to just, every single day, like last time we did the mantras and different kind of mantras every day, one can just worship a particular
There are
goddess.
there is something called Panchkos Sadhana.
Okay,
Sadhana is means there are 5 posts, 5 sheets
okay,
which should be clean, right? There are 5 sheets.
okay.
This course
Five,
means layers, 5 layers. So first,
five,
yeah, first is Annamaya course. Annamaya course means body, our this
body.
physical body. Annamaya
Cleansing of our body.
body. Then
Okay,
Pranmaya course, cleansing our energy system.
okay,
So this
okay.
cleansing of energy system is done through pranayam. Pranayam,
With breathing.
yeah, will be all type of breathing exercise. If
Okay.
if one will do regular pranayam, then the pranas of bodies will get balanced automatically.
Okay, okay,
And
okay,
there are 10 pranas, right? So
okay,
10 pranas of the body will get balanced.
okay. Only just by doing the pranayam, or you just say like you need
Only
to
doing
do
the
different.
pranayam.
Only doing the pranayam,
By
10 kind of
doing,
pranayam.
by eating good food, right food. Good means right food. By eating right food and right exercise, that is right yoga, Anmay course is cleansed. Anmay course means physical body, right?
Okay,
Doing
okay,
right pranayam, you can clean up the pranayam is that your energy level of your body. Then by doing the mantras, that is one more course, upper level to this pranamaya course is this manomaya course. Mano,
okay.
that is
So
your
you
level
thought process,
thought process.
thought.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Three
So
course. This primarily these 3 course can be cleaned in 10 days. This is the basic benefit of Navratris.
okay, okay,
Upper there are 2 more course. One is Vigyanmay course and one is Anandmay course. So
okay,
Vigyanmay and Anandmay course is the higher results of spirituality, which cannot be attained easily if people are especially doing sadhana for attaining this liberation, then they can go for this next 2 steps. But with this only 10 days sadhana, one can clean up these 3 kosas. If person clean up these 3 kosas in this 10 days sadhana, then he will remain disease free for coming 6 months minimum.
okay,
And he
okay,
will also remain free from all type of depression and anxiety for coming 6 months. So
okay,
he will be basically free from all type of ailments, either of physical level or of mental level.
Okay, just by doing this 9
10
days,
days sadhana.
10 days sadhana.
So rishis, and there is a change of season also. Whenever there is a change of season,
Huh.
one is forced, one is prone to diseases, these seasonal diseases.
Correct, correct, correct.
So all are facing. So doing this 10 days sadhana, one can get relief for coming 6 months, all type of mental relief as well as physical relief.
So for mental, this thing, what one should do, it's like a mantra meditation, or just like whatever the thoughts are coming, you have to be very conscious about, like being mindful, not to get angry, not to get anxious, and just watching your thoughts all the time for 9, 10 days, whatever, you are not supposed to get angry, you are not supposed to get whatever, you are
Definitely,
watching yourself,
definitely, this is the best thing. This is the best thing. Being mindful is the best remedy. And suppose people are not able to practice this mindfulness, then they can practice mantras. Suppose if person is getting angry, then he must focus on mantra. If he is getting depressed, then he must focus on mantra. Any negative thought is coming in the mind, immediately he must start reciting the mantra.
correct,
One can block that negative energy, negative
correct.
process. To end that negative thought process, one says, so the mantra is also this Navan mantra. Om Am Reem Klim Chamundai Vichai.
Okay,
Navan mantra itself means that cleaning of your all negative energy. Chamunda is the head.
correct. Okay,
Chamunda Vichai. Om Am Reem Klim. These four Bij mantras are basically connected with your immediate four chakras up to heart chakra. So
correct.
you are cleaning up your all negative thought.
Correct, correct, correct,
So
correct.
this single mantra is very important. If you want to stick with this Durga worship of the Mata Durga, but if someone is interested in Lord Hanuman, then they can recite Ramayana for this 9 days because Ram Navami is coming.
Ram Navami is coming. Correct, correct.
If this for everybody there is different things. So anyone can do any mantra and can follow their tradition, but they should
Correct.
do some type of sadhana in this 10 days.
Okay,
This is the perfect period.
okay, okay. This is a perfect period to do the sadhana.
Yes. Sun is in the Aries. Sun is exalted. So
Okay.
getting the blessings of sun.
Wow. So this is actually a very good time because the sun is exalted already. So
Sun is
you're
Atma, sun is Paramatma,
yeah,
sun is Vishnu, and sun is Brahma. All three
correct,
are sun. Different
correct,
morning, yeah.
correct. So means during this time you do it if somebody's sun is debilitated, can immediately brightens up his vital energy and he starts feeling absolutely
Yes.
positive. And sun is like it's all about the fame, name, and
Opportunities. Also
opportunities,
opportunities. Yeah.
also opportunities. So I just because Ram Navami is coming, and 9 days it is said, like because Raja Dashrath didn't have the child, and he worshipped, how powerful it could be, like he worshipped only for 9 days, these goddesses and these shaktis, these powers, and he was blessed a son like Ram.
Yeah. Yes.
Isn't it so great? He got the god in his house. It is such a power in itself.
Yes. Definitely.
So if you want, enormous power, so these 9 days is just not 9 days. It's like a, lifetime collective. You will get the punya of that much that you receive, that kind of blessing, that like how Ram was a blessing itself.
Yes.
And that time when we do 9 days, isn't it meant to, am I right if I'm just make sense?
Definitely, these are one of the best period. Astrologically, uh, most of the energies are aligned in this period. So, if one do sadhana, then he will automatically get aligned with the cosmic universe automatically. So, the result of benefit will be 100 times then done in some ordinary day. These days, the benefit will multifold. 100 times results will come.
Absolutely. And when in October, when we just say, Ram defeated Ram also took the, help and support of these powers. Can you
Yes.
imagine?
Yes.
Despite of being he was God, but for him to get the victory, he had to take the support of these goddess. So how important this feminine power, that God also relies on that. Isn't it so wonderful? God,
Feminine, feminine means nature. Feminine itself is Shakti, right? Feminine is the Shakti. And the male is the masculine energy, is that energy.
correct.
Utilize that Shakti. Yeah. So without feminine, there is nothing. There is no life.
So it's like, yeah,
She
feminine
lights up.
power is
Yeah.
alive.
She will light up.
If you think about, I was just observing, if a woman is not there in the house.
Chetna,
Yeah,
all emotion, whatever one is feeling,
yeah,
that is all feminine. All
yeah.
all type of feeling is feminine. Either it is good or bad, sad or happiness. Everything is feminine. And Chetna is basically the male. So
Okay.
yeah. So what I mean to say that male female energies is basically making the complete life.
Correct. Correct.
This is the best time. This is the best period. All Navratris, all 4 Navratris are the best period to align with feminine energy, to align with Shakti, and get hold of the Shakti, get blessings of the Shakti, because Shakti is resources.
Correct. Correct.
Lakshmi is again feminine, Saraswati is also again feminine, Durga is also again feminine. So if you
Absolutely. Absolutely. See, health, wealth, and knowledge, everything, whatever we require for material, as far as material aspect, the happiness, it comes from feminine power. It just, you know, so
yes,
it's so important. And I think, if you not only worship Devi, like, doing puja part, but if you could just respect women around, your mother, your sister, your wife, your daughter, in whatever way, it's like for 9 days, I think. That is why, at the end of this ninth day, uh, you feed these nine kids, children, and
yes,
female child, and that is the respect we pay, like, how important this feminine power for us. So I think this week in
Kanya
India, this
Pujan,
is a,
Kanya
yeah,
Pujan in astrology, Kanya Pujan is the biggest remedy for Rahu, Ketu, biggest remedy for Rahu and Ketu and Mercury.
okay,
Yeah, so Rahu, Ketu, Mercury are very important planet for anybody in his horoscope, because Mercury is your intellect and
correct,
Ketu is your past and present birth influences. All your past, present, pap and punya, all these are coming through Rahu and Ketu. Saturn is
correct,
karma and Jupiter is
correct,
blessing. So if one does regular Kanya Pujan every month, if anybody does Kanya Pujan every month,
Oh, wow.
then
Okay.
a lot of negative energy coming from past birth, lot of this uh, ailments or any type of negative energies coming from past birth, that will get automatically reduced.
Oh, wow.
If
That's
if one does only for this period, the 2 Navratris only, then also he's getting protected for coming 6 months. So
wow.
this is the easiest way to get protected.
Correct, correct. This is the
To get
easiest way.
protected spiritually, to get protected mentally, to get protected physically. Mind,
So
soul.
mind, body, soul, if you want to just lie and just this is most powerful period.
Yeah.
If you if you want to ask something which is like you feel like you don't have or you're lacking, and if you just worship that, I think you will get it in these 9 days, because only just the 9 days. Is it like true, Vijay, that I have heard that somebody said, I don't know what it was, I just don't remember the entire story, but it was like Ram had to actually wait for this entire war for 6 months. But he said, I can't wait for 6 months. I want to finish it off like in, you know, as soon as possible. So in 9 days, what I should do? So somebody suggested you just do the, 9 days worship, and you will. And I think these 9 days he does the puja of every Devi, and at the 10th day he kills Ravan.
Yeah.
So
Definitely Ram and Lakshman both worship the Durga, and they got the blessing of Mata Durga. It is written there in Ramayana.
yeah, yeah. So
It is written there in Ramayana. Yeah.
that he
I
didn't
think
want to wait. Yeah.
yeah. Lakshman was one of the biggest Devi Bhakta. There, therefore only he could have killed that Meghnath, because
Okay.
of Devi. Meghnath was also the biggest worshipper of Lord Kali.
Okay. So it was such that is why it became such a difficult, challenging thing for him to, kill Meghnad, because he was,
He was very
such a
powerful.
powerful. He was very powerful, uh, amazing, and Ravan was such a powerful because he was worshipping Lord
Lord
Shiva
Shiva.
direct. To defeat somebody like Ravan is not an easiest thing, because he was the greatest bhakt of Shiva, and Shiva was like on his support, complete support was there,
Yeah.
and and here comes Ram, what he can do. So even the Shiva bhakt was killed by Ram only by the support of feminine power. So you can imagine, even Shiva must be kneeling down.
All the weapons of all devtas, all weapons of all devtas are with Mata Durga. She is having 18 hands, and all the weapons in the world, all type of weapons. See, in every
Okay,
there is a weapon.
okay.
So if you say nuclear energy, hydrogen bomb,
Mm-hmm.
or
Correct.
any thunder, if we say electric energy, solar energy, or any thunder power, nuclear power, fission, fusion, anything, all type of weapon we are just today scientists are making. She was also
Uh-huh.
having in all 8 hands or 18 hands.
Wow, means all the right now what we see, the weapon actually belongs to Durga
Yeah.
in different forms,
Because
and
all devta gifted her all their own weapons. All devtas.
oh, so she is carrying all the gifts in her hand.
So she was having all the weapons in the world.
Oh, all the
Only Mata Durga has all the weapons in his hands. There is none other Devi other
okay.
Durga who is having all the weapons.
Wow, it's amazing. This is
Hanuman has has the boon to get protected from all the weapons. See,
Okay.
Hanuman cannot be defeated by any weapon, right?
Okay. Okay.
And,
Yeah.
but Durga, Mata Durga, she was having all the weapons by itself, so she can shoot up any weapon to enemy. So this is the difference.
Okay.
He is a defender. Mata Durga is an attacker.
Okay. If you want to defend from somebody else, so what I get through this the entire concept.
If you want to defend from somebody who is having lot of powers, then
Correct.
you must call Lord Hanuman. He will come in front of you and he will protect you from all the weapons. Right.
So yes, you have to save yourself, from people who are attacking here and there, and you just say, "Oh
But
my
if
God,
you
what
want
am I?"
to attack, but if you want to attack somebody, then you have to call Mata.
So she will give you, endow you with the power and all the weapons, so you can defeat anybody. So
Anybody.
if you, yeah, if you want any victory in life, any aspect, success, what do you call success?
Yes, yes.
But
Then
I
you have
think
to call Mata Durga.
Mata Durga.
Yeah. There is no other option. See, all the politicians basically in India, all politicians worship Mata Durga in some other form. Yeah.
Okay. Vijay, I got, a chart, a friend has sent me. So wanted to know whether I was just showing, but we didn't see it. So we can see that live. Do you have that chart or
Yes, yes,
do
yes.
you?
I have the chart. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So uh, can you say when would he get his, how is basically the chart is itself right now? Because
See, this chart is also of Leo Lagna.
okay.
And moon is in Aries, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Moon is an Aries. And Moon is with Mars. Okay.
Moon is with Mars. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, yeah. Moon is with Mars. So it is like with mother, he will have some issues. It's like Mars and Moon because Mars is there.
The presence of Venus and Mercury in the fourth house, and Rahu in the second house, and Mars is in the sixth place from fourth house. All this indicate that he could have less happiness from her mother. All this indicates.
Yes, he is. Yeah. I could.
So this is
Because
the
I know that he is not very happy with, that's why the first thing I just saw it when he was just talking about he has all the time all kind of problems with the mother, and the moment I just see Moon and Mars, I said it was supposed to be, the fight is supposed to be there and all kind of problem comes, so it's like yeah, and you're right, like
and Saturn is there in the fifth house, Jupiter is there in the third house. This indicates that this person has takes lot of risk, high risk person. He takes lot of risk, and he is very practical also. Practical,
yes.
down to earth, and
Mhm.
lots of risk. He has a good capacity of taking risk, right?
Amazing. Amazing. Yes. I could just see a lot of,
Rahu is there in the second house. So
yes,
I have seen people with Rahu in the second house makes lots of money.
yes. I have also
And
seen
Rahu is
that.
also exalted there in the second house. It is in the this Virgo sign. So Virgo is friendly sign of Rahu.
Okay.
And Rahu is also Vargottam. So definitely one is going to make lot of money.
Vargotama is there. Okay.
All this thing is overall this people with this Jupiter in third house and Saturn in ninth house. Saturn is also there in the sign of Jupiter in Sagittarius. So
Yes, it is there.
this type
Yeah.
of people are very good administrators. They can manage very good.
Correct.
They can manage anything. They can manage the corporates, any large groups, anything.
Yeah.
Able to do things very clearly.
Yes. Yes, this person is handling so many things, at one time.
Yes,
That,
now Rahu Moon Dasa is running, which is not favorable. But when Rahu Mars Dasa will come from 10th of May 2021 to 28th of May 2022,
hmm.
this period is favorable, highly favorable, and
Okay.
can have some unexpected benefits. You can have unexpected benefits in this period.
Okay. Because he was asking me, my money is stuck. I'm not getting for the last, 2 years. I just given somebody and that's
Like this year, basically in the period of Rahu Mars, I think that he can get a lot of money, or he may all the money which So this period is good, but the next year, 2022,
Hmm.
2022, when this Rahu Mars will complete and next Dasa will start, Jupiter Dasa will start, right?
Jupiter, then it is very good. Jupiter.
No, Jupiter will not be good. Dasa.
Yeah, Jupiter. Yeah. Okay.
Jupiter Dasa will not be a good Dasa. At that time, if present Dasa, present in coming 1 year, if things get solved, then it is okay. But things does not get solved, the next year there could be some legal issues.
Okay.
And that
Okay.
could be related to property.
Okay.
That legal issues could be related to with his own siblings. That could be related with his own siblings also, or that could be related with some government matter also.
Okay.
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 But present, so this is I am not giving the prediction for next year. But for present time, I am saying Rahu Mars period is the beneficial period. First, take decision, but be little cautious also, because whenever there is a yoga for some unexpected gains, then there is always a chance of having unexpected loss. Always.
Okay.
Always unexpected gains comes with the tinge of unexpected loss. If there is a chance for getting unexpected gains, 80% chance is there, then 20% chance is there for unexpected loss also.
Okay. So that will come from 10th of May to
28th of May 2020.
but it is like 20. Okay. From 22, it's changing. His Mahadasha is changing to Jupiter. Okay.
We will take how Jupiter will behave more accurately, more deeply. But presently, let's complete his Rahu Mars Dasa.
Okay. So that's a good thing. And somebody has sent the chart. Nitish Dhawan has sent the chart. He's from Haryana. I have resigned from the current private job and I'm serving notice period there. When would I get a new private job? So this is and it is like 17/09/1988, 5:50 a.m. Haryana. 17/9 September 1988, and
1988.
88 and 5:30 a.m. Haryana, Jagadri. The place is called Jagadri.
Jagatri, J, G, A, J,
J
J,
A
G, A, T, R, I, right?
Jagadri, Haryana. So he is just asking
Yes. Ask him.
about the job, when will he get, because he has already resigned one job. So somebody is asking other question, Kiran Agrawal.
We will take this. This is the last question.
Let's. Yes, we just take. This is the last question. If yes,
Do you see 17 September 1988, 5:30 a.m.
correct. So he's
Yeah.
again Leo Lagna.
Yeah, again Leo Lagna.
Today is Leo thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he's asking when he will get the new job.
Yes, yes. So what Mahadasha is going on right now?
He should worship Lord Shiva immediately. He should do Panchabhishek of Lord Shiva.
Okay. Nitish.
So if he will do worship of Lord Shiva, then from 15 June 2021, from 15 June onwards, he will get the job.
Okay.
15
June.
15 March is the very favorable period. 15 June to 15 March.
Okay. Almost 9 months he has.
9 months is a very favorable period, and I think that he will stop in June, July. There is nothing more. But he should worship Lord Shiva. Panchabhishek Lord Shiva for these 3 months. Definitely he will get the job. Okay. What you are thinking? Hello. 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 I think there is some interruption. Okay, friends. Now we. Hello. You are
Yes. Actually, the connection got lost.
back?
Yeah. And I was wondering where. Anyway, you were host, so you could have handled. This is once what happened. I tell you, this is interesting thing. I called on my show Anup ji, and he was singing, and my
You are like.
Wi-Fi connection got lost. So at the end, he hosted the entire show, and he said, "Everybody, namaste." Raya got disappeared. But he was such a nice, so he coolly he managed everything. My job, he handled it. So this was so funny. Yeah.
So, okay, now I think we should.
Yes, we should just say bye bye to everybody. I am chanting Hanuman Chalisa. Is it not enough? हनुमान चालीसा कर रहे हैं तो एनफ नहीं है क्या? नीतीश धवन saying
No,
that he's
it's basically doing Shiva Panchabhisheka is necessary.
okay. So he must do Shiva Pancha Abhishek.
Abhishek.
Abhishek. He should do.
Shivlinga, Abhishek Shivlinga daily for coming 3 months.
Okay. Okay. So it is right now, this time is little challenging for you. Do this, and Lord Shiva will just bestow his blessings upon you.
Yeah.
So this is beautiful. So let's wrap up, and I just want to invite you on, because I'm going to do some, some secret is there, and on 20th, and somebody is like, is re-
The phone call is
oh
coming.
my god, yeah, phone this is this is on the other number, but thank god I'm just on my laptop. So it will be good. We will just have some blast here on Ramnavami.
Okay.
So I invite you, Vijay, on that day.
Okay. There is- I will come on Ramnavami. I am here in Jaipur. So
Okay.
I am not in any tour, so I will come in Ramnavami.
Okay, fantastic, lovely. So, love you, everybody, and thank you so much for coming here. And we are so grateful to all of you who have shared, and who came here, and as much as many people, if you could share that. So when next time Vijay comes in, then he will help and support more people. And it is such a fantastic day to do the live with Vijay. Always auspicious, always it I feel like a blessing to myself, when he comes. He's my guru. Whatever he tells me, I just do it, I follow it, and I feel so happy about it that I do it, and it is giving me so many results. Please, whatever Vijay says, just do it. Just have complete faith.
Thank you
Thank
to
you so
everybody, and
much,
thank you,
and
friends.
love you, and bye. Take care.
Thank you.